Dustin McMurray. I teach at Northeast High School in Arma, Kansas. I teach Spanish most of my day, and I have a single class of computer coding that I teach. Prior to that, I taught a class that was called Computer Applications, and it was basically how to do documents, how to do PowerPoint presentation, or what's Google Slides. We do all Google stuff at this school. The reason that I like to work with Zenva is the way that they break down all their information. They've got individual modules that are very specific to a certain task that you want to do. Like the first code that I learned from them was how to make basically a recreation of the game Frogger. And so you go into that, and within that there's a lot of subset skills you have to have. How do I put images on the screen? How do I get those things to move? How do I create the cursor keys on my keyboard so that they interact with the objects on the screen? And the courses that Zenva offers, they break all of that down so well that once you see it and you apply it, it seems like, why didn't I know how to do this before? Because it's really that easy.